time to get ready to work on the 12th floor of the Hot Wheels complex. I'm going to completely rebuild this floor because it just doesn't meet the new measurements for the new building. This one's already finished, not quite. I still have to do the cabinets, and I took this piece down because of this. It was going to stick out, but I decided to remove it for now. I'm going to go ahead and continue with this. I might add in this other cabinets right here. But yeah, so first of all, I'm going to clear out all the junk from this building right here. So all the trash has to be removed. All the junk. So we have a bag right here. I'm going to go ahead and just begin throwing things in here. Go ahead and just grab this. I'm gonna begin demolition on this building right here. It's gonna go on the 10th floor and the 11th floor. I found some push pins for the fort, but I'm not gonna build a fort right now because I can't. Oops. One push pin fell down. I don't know what's down there. I'm gonna pick it up right now. Okay. We got more. All the junk cleared out. Alright, check the closets. I found a penny right here. More furniture. And yeah, so ready for demolition. The first thing we have to do is demolish this right here. But I want to show you guys something very interesting. This is painter's tape from the Home Depot. It's Scotch tape, and if you look here, it's nice and solid. And this is very old tape. This is from 2023, and look at that. It's still holding up pretty well. So I highly recommend you not buy this basics roll of tape because that's just gonna not stick very well. I would recommend buying real Scotch tape from the hardware store, and if you do that, you'll probably save money on Gorilla tape because it may not require Gorilla tape if you use Scotch tape on the bedroom walls and the hallway walls right here. But if you use this cheap junk tape, it's not gonna hold it. Right away, so it's also nice and strong. But I got everything out from this floor, and